Hello everyone, this is Hemalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about one of the case study for forest resource management. It is regarding the Chipko movement. It is one of the environmental related movement which was initiated by Gauri Devi in the year 1970. It is for the conservation of trees in their villages. Chipko, it means the meaning is called embrace, that is to hug the trees and conserve the forest. It was taken place in Uttarakhand in Chamoli district. It was inspired by a true story of Amrita Devi. It was taken place in Rajasthan, who refused a king's man to let the trees to cut the trees by sacrificing her life along with their daughters. The Chipko movement was one of the concept of Mahatma Gandhi Satyagraha, that is the non-violent movement. That basic environmental movement was taken place in the Prasanna Kamkor village of Rajasthan in the year 1730. During their lives, many people sacrificed their lives to conserve the forest. Around 365 Bishonis, that is a group of people living in the Prasannakamkar village, were died to save the cage trees. It is one of the local trees that is majorly available in the Rajasthan. And coming to the Bishoni woman, her name is Amarta Devi. She showed extreme courage to protect the trees being cut. She sacrificed life along with their doctors by hugging the trees to protect them from the logging purpose. Government of India initiated Amarda Devi Vishnu Wildlife Protection Award for the people who are uh, who are involved in the environmental protection activities from the rural areas, and that have they are showing the extraordinary courage and dedication in protecting the wildlife. Um, the movement spread across the Himalayan region in the name of Chipko movement in the year 1970s, and it also spread over to other places in the name of the Apiko movement in Karnataka, Chilkal Lake agitation in Orissa, and Narmada Bacho Andolan. Coming to the Chipko movement, as we saw that movement was taken place in the Chamoli district, Uttarakhand. In the year 1960s, there is a high development of infrastructure taken place for the logging purpose. It will attract the numerous foreign based logging companies to Chamoli district to cut down the trees, and they are cutting down the trees from 1960s to 1970s. In the year 1970s, a severe flood occurred that were inundated the Chamoli district wholly because of the loss of trees due to the logging purpose, because the trees were main responsible to arrest the soil erosion, that the tree roots are capable of holding the soil um, from the flood. It will arrest the soil from the erosion. Trees are major responsible for controlling the soil erosion. Due to the logging operation, many trees are lost. So there will be a inundation occur in the Chamoli district. It disturbed the lifestyle of the people, tribal people, and it will affect the food, fodder, and fuel purposes. So there is a aggression taken place for the taken place to the people. And the as we already seen that Chipko comes from the word embrace, as the villagers hugged the trees and encircled them to prevent hack. She is the Gauri Devi, and her friends in a small village of Uttarakhand were initiated this Chipko movement by hugging them and did not allow the loggers to cut down the trees. Gauri Devi at that time took 26 other women into the woods at night to face the forest company workers who were going to cut down the trees and challenged to use their axes. With support from the group, she managed to halt the work of the loggers by hugging the trees without violence. And the women of village and Gauri Devi kept guard for the trees that all night. Over the next few days, many more villages joined in the protest. That is the real picture taken during the agitation. They are hugging the trees and didn't allow the loggers to cut down the trees. Because of this issue, state government uh, demands and issue a 10-year ban on all commercial deforestation in the area. It is one of the major environmental protest in India. Thank you.